In this video, I'm going to show you how I changed my iPad home screen from this to this. I created some images in Procreate and I uploaded them to a Pinterest board, which you can download if you wish. And if you need help in Procreate, check out my Procreate tutorials playlist. Alright, let's get started. The link to my Pinterest board will be in the description box down below. To customize your home screen, you will need to be updated to iOS 14. First, you will need to open your Shortcuts app. Then select the plus sign. Then go to Scripting. Open Apps, choose, then type in the app that you'd like to create the shortcut for. We're going to do YouTube. Then select the three dots next to Shortcut, New Shortcut, then type the name of your shortcut. Add to home screen. Type in the name of your shortcut again. Select the image next to your shortcut name. Then choose an image that you'd like to use as your app cover. This is an icon that I created in Procreate for my YouTube app. Now what I'm going to do is change the location of my shortcut to be down at the bottom, and then when I move my actual app, I'm not going to delete it. Off camera, I created shortcuts for my Safari, Mail, and Messages app. Next, I'm going to create a shortcut for my Procreate app. Go to Shortcuts, select the plus sign, then go to Scripting, Open App, choose, I'm going to type in Procreate, then select Procreate, select the three dots next to New Shortcut, type in Procreate, add to home screen, type in Procreate again, select the image to the left of Procreate, choose Photo, and I'm going to choose the 2021 image that I created in Procreate. This has been added to the home screen. Let's check it out. So I'm going to move this over and replace to my Procreate app, but I'm not going to delete the Procreate app. I'm just going to move it over. Off camera, I created shortcuts for all of these other apps on my home screen. Now I'm going to change the background. I'm going to go to Settings, Wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper. I'm going to choose this champagne glass I created in Procreate to celebrate the New Year's. I'm going to select Set, then set as both the lock screen and the home screen. And this is what it looks like. And I'd like to wish you a very happy New Year.